Alam mo ba, girl? So, shoutout guys, another song tayo. Good evening, good day kung anong oras niyo napapanood dito, no? So, another song from Heb Abi. Ang title naman nito ay nag-trending rin ito, no? Alam mo ba, girl? May na-upload tayo isang isang acoustic version ng kanta niya. Ang title nun ay walang alam ata, pero ito ang title naman nito ay Alam mo ba, girl? At maganda rin ito i-play, no? I-play sa acoustic kung meron kayong kakilalang eksperto sa magaling mag-rap. Ay, pakanta nyo to, maganda kasi. So, start tayo kagad. At siguro 2 version ang ituturo ko, 2 version. So, diretso tayo sa chords, doon sa part na full band na ang buong audio na. So, start tayo. Kita ko muna, first part. Ay, first version. Girl. So, first chord ay C sharp major 7. So, 4th fret yan. 4th fret. Okay. And then C minor 7. So, medyo mahirap, no, sa mga nag-umpisa. C minor 7. So, 3rd fret. At ang second version naman ay eto, C sharp. Kung di kaya ang gaytong chord, pwedeng C sharp na lang po. So, 4th fret lang yun, 4th fret. Gaya ng B sa 4th fret. And then second chord ay imbis na C minor 7, pwedeng C minor na lang. Okay, yan ang second version. Pinadali. So, yung first version naman ay C sharp major 7 at C minor 7. So, play natin na first version muna. Alam mo ba, girl? And then, yung second version, yung pinadali. Kung di kaya yung mas mahirap, eto naman. So, ang strumming pattern naman ay ganito. So, down, down, top. Okay? Down, down, top. And then, down, 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 down. So, may kasunod na dalawang down, 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 down. Okay? Down, down, top, down, 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 down. And then, last part, down, up, down, up. Okay? Down, up, down, up. So, play natin na. Down, down, top, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay? Then, down, down, top, down, 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 down. Down, up, down, up, down, down, top, down, down, down. Alam mo ba, girl? Okay? And then, yung simple version, C sharp, 4th fret yan, 4th fret. C minor, 3rd fret yan, 3rd fret. So, kaya na bala mag-timing, no? Yan lang naman ang chords. Siguro mahirap lang yung first version kasi di pwede sa mga medyo nag-umpisa pa. Pero ang second version ay pwede naman C sharp at C minor. Basta kayo na bala mag-timing at kung meron kayong kakilalang mahilig talaga mag-rap, ipakanta nyo to, maganda to. Heb Abi, Alam mo ba, girl? Maganda kasi. So, yan ang lahat, no? Kayo na bala ulit mag-timing, pati yung string pattern na tinuro natin. Replay nyo lang, no? Baka mahirapan ng iba. Replay nyo lang. Dito mga tutorials yung mga next na upload, guys. Bye bye.